When you're on the road, the unexpected can happen at any time, but don't worry, I-55 Truck and Trailer Repair has got you covered. Our team of experienced technicians provides a full range of services from mobile truck repair, maintenance to engine and transmission repairs, electrical and diagnostics, brake and safety system checks, tire and suspension services, and other services like preventative maintenance and truck HVAC system repairs, and more. We service all makes and models, from light to heavy-duty trucks and trailers, as well as RVs, buses, and all commercial vehicles. No problem is too big or too small for us to handle. Call us now or visit our website at i55truckandtrailer.com. Stay safe, stay moving with I-55 Truck and Trailer Repair, your trusted roadside partner in the Memphis, Tennessee, and West Memphis, Arkansas area.